What's going on, YouTubers? Today I'm going to show you how to change out these light switches for the new style push button. Look more modern, more fancy, so I'm going to show you guys how to do that. This is what you're going to need: Phillips screwdriver, possibly a flat-headed screwdriver, your new light switch cover. It's easy to use, a nice pair of pliers with the curve on them, and of course electrical tester to make sure you got the power shut off before you start taking it apart. So make sure you got one of those. Alright, well, let's make it happen. Okay, first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your electrical tester, turn it on, and as you can see, I still got the power on. So we need to shut that power off. So find your breaker. Alright, so once you find your breaker, make sure you get the right breaker. Flip it off. Okay, as you can see, it got a little dark in here, but take your tester again. Make sure power is off. As you can see, it's all green, so we're good to start taking this apart. This uses a Phillips screwdriver, so we're just going to unscrew these. You can see the wires and how they're hooked up. So we're just going to take these two wires and put them right there, and we should be good to go. So let's unscrew the top one. I do one at a time, just that way I know I get the right wire in the right spot. This is where you might need your pliers. Sometimes you can get these off without them, sometimes you can't. Take your new one. Again, we're going to just use this one for the top, that one for the bottom. Make sure you get them nice and tight. You don't want them getting loose on you or anything and causing you any problems down the road. So you can see I got them on there, good and tight. Always try to make sure the box is cleaned out. Like this has got a little bit of drywall in it from the previous person, so just clean that out. If there's dust or anything, just want it to look nice. So okay, get that in there. Shove your wires back in there. Try to make sure it's nice and level before you get it all the way tightened in. You don't want it to be cockeyed on you. Okay, now we're going to take our cover. Okay, now we're going to turn the lights back on and see how she looks. It's that simple. She works just fine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave some comments. Till next time. Later.